Hi, the very first thing you want to do after you register a new domain name is to configure your name servers at your domain registrar. Domain registrars are similar. You need to look for a link called Domains or Manage My Account and then find a link called Manage My Domains. So with Namecheap, what you do is you go to My Account and Manage Domains. And then you scroll down to your newly created um, domain name, and this is the one I just created. And you transfer DNS to web host, and then in here under specify custom DNS servers you type in your new name servers, and you should always have at least two, and then you click on save changes and read the note that appears. It may take a few minutes, even a couple hours, for the name server information to propagate throughout the internet. But once that's done, you can then go to the first step of installing WordPress.